My love, I have something for you.
What is it?
Not so fast. Close your eyes.
My eyes are closed.
No cheating.
My eyes are closed.
What brought you here?
I want to be the greatest king that ever lived. I want to be the most feared, respected. I want to be deadlier than any famous king that ever lived in the 9 clans of Imo. What's so funny?
A child that sees his father lying in the mud and decides to clean his body while he still lies in the mud is a lunatic.
What are you trying to say?
Have you heard the story of a tortoise and a goat with a fat stomach?
Ezenwai, I did not come here to listen to any story. I am here to fortify myself. Can you do it?
I can do it. But it will cost life.
Lies.
A special woman will be involved.
I can get you my slave boys. Do you need them?
A life of a slave boy will not work. I suggest you get me a seer or a woman with extraordinary powers. A woman who can see the spirits and the living.
A woman with extraordinary powers.
If you have nothing to say, let me go back to the kitchen.
I think his life is not safe.
Oh?
My husband.
Are you here to mock me or remind me that you snatched him away from me?
But that is not why I am here.
Sister, sorry, Your Majesty, please allow me enjoy the peace I have given to myself. Oh?
Are you still angry with me?
Am I still angry that you smashed the man who was to marry me? Yes, I am still very angry.
I'm so sorry. But you know you will get another man. You're very beautiful.
Why are you here?
I had a terrible dream about him last night.
Go home and tell him not to take the path he's about to take. It is a path of doom. But if he fails to listen to this warning, then he will die by the sword of a woman.
What is it?
A woman with extraordinary powers. Ndo, I have an idea.
And what is it?
Enumeji.
What?
Yes.
You out of your mind? My prince, do you want to die? Ojugo will invoke evil spirit to torment you to death.
She's only a seer. She cannot harm me if she knows. Besides, I will be the strongest and invisible by the time she realizes that I used her mother for ritual.
My prince, I'm sorry. I'm not going to be part of that. Let us look for another way.
And which other way?
We can go to Aruchuku. Or to any other town to look for such woman.
I have made up my mind.
In that case, I'm going home. If you think that's a good decision for you, I'm not going to be part of this.
So be it. By the time my dreams comes to reality, my joy will be complete. Annie. Annie. Yes.
On my way here, I met Annie. He tried to strangle me. And he said he was going to kill you.
My love, that shouldn't bother you.
It should. I am worried. I am so scared.
You don't need to be scared. And he cannot kill me. He can't. Listen, if he threatens me one more time, I will report him to the king.
My love, I saw him in my dreams.
Can you recall the dream?
Yes. He stabbed me to death.
Does it mean our sacrifice of blood was not accepted by the gods? How can we have the same dream in one night?
You had the same dream too?
Yes, I did. This is a sign. A sign that...
A sign that I will die soon? So I will die untimely. I will join my mother without fulfilling my purpose in life.
No.
Without spending the rest of my life with you.
No. Nothing will happen to you, my love. Nothing. The gods will not allow you to die. Remember what you said, the seer told you. She said, we are going to spend the rest of our lives together. If you are going to die young, she would have seen it.
My love, things change. Terrible things can happen anytime. Don't you get it?
My love, don't say that. You will live for me. Nothing will happen to you. I will bring wine to your father's house very soon.
I'm just scared.
Don't be.
I'm so scared.
Don't be. Alright? You will live for me. You will live long for me. You will have my children. Stop.
Jesus.
Don't be scared. Nothing.
My husband, you need to hear this.
What is it?
I saw you in my dream die by the sword of a seer.
That is the reason I need to make this ritual.
What ritual?
An important ritual.
And what are you people still doing here?
Leave.
So you have decided to leave your friend in hard times.
I did not leave you. I only told you how dangerous your plan is. And I still stand by it.
Anyway, the woman is already in my trap.
How did you do it?
That is because I'm the smartest. You will follow me to go and see Eze wine.
That's not possible.
Are you scared of going with me?
I'm not scared of anybody. But you can't see her today. As you can see, I'm going to do something in my farm.
Undo, are you saying we cannot see Ezewine?
I cannot follow you to see Ezewine. Let us wait until Afode.
Where's the woman? Back. My prince, there's a problem.
What?
I saw a stranger killing those men who are keeping the woman in the bush.
What?
Yes, my prince.
No! No!
Why can't I see anything? Why can't I see anything? Oh, mother. Did you find her?
With 5 guards and 5 warriors, I couldn't find her. I'm afraid she's dead.
No! My mother cannot be dead.
We had to find her in the palace so I could take her off you as my wife.
My mother is missing. Presumed dead by you. And you stand here and talk nonsense. I have to see it all. I have to see it all. Why can't I see anything? Why? Mother! Mama.
You must be Ojugu. Is she your mother?
Yes. What happened to her?
So, you finally brought her back when the gods foiled your plans.
What?
Do not pretend as if you don't know what I'm talking about.
And I don't know what you're talking about.
You brought her back because you heard her man guards and warriors at every path in this clan.
Are you accusing me of kidnapping her?
Yes! Mother-in-law!
Stop it!
Commit an atrocity!
I want to believe you joking.
What happened to Manny?
Who do you think you are? Do I look like a clown? You dare talk back at me like that? How dare you talk to me in such manner?
Because you're talking rubbish! And listen! I will never allow you to slap me again!
And I will slap you again if you talk back at me!
Strangers. Where I come from, strangers are not treated this way.
Dad! Dad! Bind him and take him to the cage! Bind him!
Susu! hit your head on the wall. It's not biological here. I believe you're a prince.
I am a prince, you fool.
Act like a man. Stop acting like you're a drunk. Stop being rude to strangers. I know your prince has sent you, and I know you're not a lunatic. After saving a woman from the hands of kidnappers, your prince won't be dead. Is that how stupid you are? Get out! Good, I'm gonna shoot you! Stop it! I said down. I will spare your life. Now go back to your prince and tell him to learn how to treat strangers. What are you doing on the ground? I told you to go and catch that idiot. And you're here? Where is he? Even the guards of your land knows I have done nothing wrong to you. Learn how to treat strangers. What are you doing? Go and catch him. Okay, my prince. Go and catch that fool. Go. Bring me that fool, my prince. Are you mad? Go after that fool. Go after him. My prince, what are you doing? He's with God. I said go after him now. Okay, sir. Okay, I command you, go and take that food.
My prince, what are you doing here by this time of the night?
Trouble brought me here. Under trouble.
What happened?
A stupid man from nowhere saved the seer's mother.
How did this happen? I mean, how did the man overpower your guards? I mean, your men?
Ndo, I am not here to answer any questions. Take me to Eze Wine this night. Right now.
Now?
Yes. I need to see her to ask what to do.
I'm sorry, my prince. We can't go to Eze Wine's place by this time. If it was easy, you should have gone there immediately it happened.
Ndo, are you trying to put the blame on me? But you told me she can only be seen on aftermarket days. Don't put the blame on me, Ndo.
My prince, I am not trying to blame you. But what I am saying is, we cannot see Eze Wine by this time of the night. We cannot.
Ndo, does Eze Wine not know that I am the prince of this land? The next king of this land? My friend, get up and let's go.
My prince, we can't go there. We shall see her at First Court Cruise.
I am waiting for you outside. Come.
Ezenwai, please, what do we do? What do we do, please?
Yes. The ritual is in 2 days. And I don't know anywhere else to get another woman with extraordinary power.
Is the woman dead?
No. You said she shall not get home once I kidnap her. But one idiot has taken her home.
You have to find another woman with a special power. I will give you more time to do that. But remember, the earlier, the better. I can see untimely deaths crawling faster and closer to you.
Easy wine. I can get Ojugo. Yes, her daughter, Lysia, she has special powers.
I'll be waiting, but make sure she has not been defiled. And make sure her heart is not with another man.
I will kill any man that stands on my way.
I wish you luck.
Here's the wine. Thank you.
Thank you.
Who is the young man that saved me? I do not know his name, Mother. Is he not from this clan? No. I don't even know where he came from. We have to look for him and thank him. Very well, Mother. But you must eat something first and rest a bit more.
My prince, how do you intend to get Ojugo? You know she's too powerful. She might see this coming.
Undo, my friend. Very easy. I will make her my wife, and that will make the journey easier for me. You like that?
My prince, people say your father the king is smart. But I think you're smarter.
Undo, my very good friend. This is the first time in many years you are saying something meaningful in this head.
My prince, I will help you in any way to get this done.
Thank you very much. And adding to that, I will send you to Ojugo with a special gift. Special one.
Yes, that would be it's a great one.
He's from Amiye. He's a hunter.
A hunter? He might not be the only hunter in Amiye.
You are right, Mother.
Tell her more will come from me to her soon.
My prince, she will hear.
Yes, I know.
Who is the woman?
Which woman?
The woman you sent gifts to.
Stupid question.
This stupidity has to stop. It has to stop. Have this. When you see him, tell him I will come and see him when I fully recover. Very well, mother. Go well. Thank you.
What would I tell this year? What if she had foreseen this before now? That means I will be in trouble. She might even lay curse on me. And I will die just like that. Mpan! No, I will not die. No. I can't just die. No, I can't die like that. No.
Did you find him?
No. I do not even think that place exists. Did you go to Amiyi? I went to Amiyi, mother. I asked and asked. No one seems to understand who I'm talking about. Oh.
Our future queen. Have you been here for long?
Who is the woman?
What woman?
I heard everything my husband told you. Who is the woman?
My future queen, I'm under an oath not to talk about it.
What if I let you mount me?
Huh?
Would you still tell me? I will let you swim in my river for as long as you want.
My future queen. But your husband will kill me if he finds out.
Would you be so stupid to tell him? Come, let us go inside. I will let you swim in my river for as long as you want.
You have been saying it went well. It went well. How well did it go? I want to know.
My friends. I told you, you went swear. And she was very happy. Asked me to thank you for the gift.
Do you think she likes the gifts?
Like? She was excited. She was, tell the prince, I will come and see him anywhere he wants.
That's the point. That is where I'm going to. That's
That's what you want.
But, did she really say that?
My prince, which woman will receive wonderful gifts like that from a with this kind of move and will reject the prince's offer? She cannot reject your request.
Woman, where are you coming from?
The seer. She is the woman. She said she is taken. And she said you should not upset her again. And that if you ever disturb her again, your left ear is a story.
Simply, very close. How closer could he be that is far from us?
Greetings.
He's the one. Obiaso.
Thank God. I am glad you have fully recovered.
Thank you for saving me.
Thank the gods for bringing me here at the right time. I brought this for you.
Thank you. You are a very kind man. Sit.
Thank you.
Ojugo, get him something to eat.
Oh, don't worry about food. I'm fine. I came to see you.
You have done well. Let us get you some palm wine. Our palm wine tapper brought some palm wine to us this morning. And I know you won't refuse my wine.
Alright, I'll take a little from it.
Ojugo, go and get him some wine. Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank the gods.
The man who saved her will bring your doom if you didn't stop him from entering your kingdom.
I will do just that.
Go and do that now. Then you come back for us to discuss about the ritual.
No, I would like the ritual to be done first. So I will be fully fortified before I face such person.
Then bring the woman here.
The woman? But you say she can no longer be used for the ritual.
I am still talking. It's only a woman whose name is being mentioned for the ritual will be used.
I'm still confused.
There is nothing to be confused about. Go and do as I just mentioned. What a doomed, stupid of a king you will become.
I will come on AK Day to see you.
And I will prepare snail soup for you. You will not reject it.
I will come with an empty stomach.
That's okay.
Alright.
Alright, go well.
Thank you.
Let me see him off, madam. It is alright.
My prince, please. Can you wait so we can talk about this? That woman is not real. That woman is confused. And I, Prince Annie, do not let her confuse me. Everything she said there was fake! Rubbish!
My prince. Can I make a suggestion?
If you are trying to tell me to go back to that woman, you are lying. She's fake!
My prince! My prince!
But I did come looking for you today.
Oh, did you?
Yes.
So you came to thank me for saving your mother. You shouldn't have bothered coming.
Well, I did. I also came to give papers.
Thank you. This suit.
What suits you?
Love suit.
So you're in love with me already?
Yes. And I know you're also in love with me.
Do you not have a woman back home?
No. I don't have any.
Very well then. Thank you for saving my mother's life.
You've said that before.
No. I also want to say I'm sorry about the way Prince Ubani treated you that day.
I've forgotten about that a long time ago. So, I have to be on my way.
Very well then. May the gods lead your path. Wait. Will you still come to see me on a K market day like you promised?
Yes.
Go well.
Thank you.
You will not force me into bringing a curse upon my head.
I saw the look in your eyes.
Mother, he said he'll come to see me on AKD.
I know he is a very kind man.
Mother, I wish he'll come tomorrow. He's so charming. You really love him? He's a good person, Mother.
I hope he feels the same way.
Tell me, did you see the look in his eyes?
May it be well with both of you.
Oh, I say, Mother.
My prince! My prince!
My prince, wait, please. My prince. My prince. Here you are trying to allow anger put you in trouble. My prince, don't you want to be the greatest? Don't you want to be invincible again? Are you going to leave yourself vulnerable for your enemies?
What do I do?
We have to go back to S and Y and talk to her.
I cannot go back to that woman and beg her. Prince.
My prince, I didn't say you would beg her.
So what are you talking about?
We'll ask her for the solution. I believe she will listen to us. Ezenwa, please, we need to talk.
You walked out on me.
Not really. No, we went to deliberate. Ezenwa, please. Is there not any other way we can do this? Because my prince needs to be fortified before Ofala. He needs to battle the man you foresaw with a strong charm on his body.
There is a solution, but a difficult one. He must sleep with a virgin girl who did not suckle her mother's breast.
What kind of a difficult solution is that? Just tell me you don't want to help me. What's your problem? You say you don't suckle me.
Yes, calm down. You are the one that needs solution here. You have to calm down.
Please, I mean,
You can leave if you don't want
No.
to.
Ezenwa, he's ready. He's ready. You are ready.
yes.
Tell him. You are the one looking for solution. Tell him. You are ready.
Ezenwa, I'm ready.
Get me her pubic hair and her first blood when you do it.
Thank you, wise one. Thank you.
Now you know she doesn't want to help me.
Friends, please wait. I'm thinking. Please.
Keep thinking. I'm going home.
Wait, I have an idea. In fact, the solution.
And what is it?
My father told me that Ijego's mother died while giving birth to her.
So?
And that she was raised by another woman.
No. Are you sure of what you're saying?
Yes, I'm very sure. My prince. The problem here is that Ijego is in love with another man. I mean, a man from Aruchuku.
Undo, my friend, leave that for me to handle. Thank you very much for this vital information.
My prince,
No, it's...
Jacob. 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 No. Jacob. 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 No! No! No!
May the gods forbid. May the gods forbid. Nothing will happen to Diego, my love. Nothing.
What is it?
So you finally betrayed me.
Betrayed you? What are you talking about?
You want to know what I'm talking about? You want to
What kind of dream is this? Stop it. Hey.
Eke, Ori, Afo, Nkwo. May the new day bring life, prosperity, and good health. Anyone who thinks my head is good for a sacrifice should first use his own head.
Greetings, Father.
Nay, you overslept again today.
I'm sorry, Father. I kept having this same dream all through the night. A huge man tried to kill me in my dream. He actually stabbed me in my dream to death.
I had the same dream.
You did?
Yes. And I keep wondering why Annie will want to kill you.
Father, you saw Annie too? It was him who attacked me in my dream.
Oh, Nne, let me ask you. Did you collect any gift from him in the past?
Father, I have never collected anything from him. Never!
It's okay. I think I will see a medicine man concerning this. Just go and sweep the compound. Gods of our forefathers,
What brings a good man here? You totally forgot me.
My daughter's life is in danger.
Please sit.
Thank you. We have had several dreams of her being slaughtered like an animal.
A wicked royal blood will rise up to seek her blood and make himself invincible.
Will he succeed in his quest?
All these have been destined to come to reality.
My daughter will die after all.
Unfortunately, she was born to bring tears to whomever that will be her husband.
It is obvious. Nothing can be done to avert this.
You seem to have answers to the question before coming. A day would come when you will remember this dream. A day would come.
Wise one, what dream?
Reality. Reality would answer that question. Only reality.
Reality will answer that question.
Reality will answer that question.
Who are you?
I connect you to reality through dream.
My prince.
What?
This woman is pointing a charm at you.
What woman? I warned you boy to stop taking lots of time when forgetting out with me. I want you boys!
I'm sorry, my prince.
You will certainly come back to me. Certainly you will.
Who are you?
I am your spirit wife. And I have come to ask that.
I forbid you to use that word.
I am not done talking to you. I want to have a child. I want to have a child with you. I have waited. I've waited for so long. I want you. My body. My soul. Everything wants you. I crave for you.
If you repeat that rubbish again, I'm order my guards to beat you up. Now get out!
My husband, what is it?
Dad! Dad! Dad!
Yes, my prince.
Take this woman away from here. Take her away from here. This is woman. Take her away.
My husband, have you started seeing her ghost?
But she...
It was not a reality.
Nedi, what is it?
Ijego, I had a terrible dream about you. Yes. Before Kanu came, you...
Nedi, speak up.
You were already... Ijego, you were already there.
Somebody help me! What happened to her?
I don't know.
Ijego, what happened to her?
Some men attacked us.
Ijego! Amanyanabo! Ijego! Don't!
Hey!
Ijego! Amanyanabo! Somebody help me!
It was not like dream. It was so real that I woke up crying. Honestly.
You had the same dream?
Yes.
My father did. And I saw myself stabbed to death in my own dream.
Ijego, this is not good though. You have to do something about it.
What do you suggest I do?
I suggest you go and see a missing man. Maybe he might make some sacrifice to stop this from coming to pass.
Just a few weeks ago, Kanu and I made a sacrifice of blood.
And I'm telling you that Kanu is not a Dibia. Ijego, you have to go and see a Dibia. This is a matter of life and death.
I know what to do.
What do you want to do?
Who are you?
I am the woman you're occupying her man.
Who is your man? I don't know your man.
How many men are you occupying?
I have just one man. My wonderful husband, Odomnobi.
Prince Anne. You're lying to me! They're all lies. He belongs to me. He is my husband. You are a liar. And soon, sooner than you expect, he will come back to me. Whether you like it or not. If you are an evil spirit of doom, I command you to depart from me. Up! How dare you! How dare you speak when I'm talking to you? How dare you? How dare you utter a word? Now get out. Out of my sight! Get out! How dare you! Oh! Who are you? That food you're eating is meant for the prince's wife. What is going on here?
My princess.
You again? Inugwu ike obi. Inugwu na-ewe anya. And you are eating my food. Imokwa na obi batara. Get me water to drink. Now. Oh, go on. My princess, where are you going? My princess. I will never give you peace until you leave my man. And when I'm done with you, I shall take your life. Now squat. Squat! There. Listen to her, my princess. Sit there. Hey, sit down. Massage my fingers. Take it gently. My princess. Just take it easy. You are still alive because of your kind sister, Obioma.
But my hands are paining me.
Will you shut up and do your work?
You again? Have you sworn to be a bone in my throat?
You started this! You dare talk to me! You started this! You started it when you left me and got married to that thing! You started it! I have come to remind you that it is time for you to come back home to me! You have to come back home to me! I owe you body and soul!
I don't know what you're talking about!
Shut up! Shut up! I'm waiting for you inside.
Mazi.
The prince of our land.
I greet you. I greet you.
Oh, the prince of our land. You are welcome to my house.
Thank you very much.
Can you please sit down?
No, don't worry. Let me go straight to the point. I brought these for Ichego. I intend to make her my wife.
Oh,
the prince of our land.
Yes.
You talk as if you are not in this kingdom. It is too late.
Too late for what?
She got married yesterday.
Married yesterday?
Yes.
To who?
To the man of our heart.
Bring my plantain! Bring my plantain! No, seriously. When I was dancing, like dancing, the maidens of your clan couldn't take their eyes off me. Now ask me why they were looking at me.
Why do I need to ask you? You are a terrible dancer, of course. The drum was saying something else, and your legs were dancing something else.
No. It was the drummer who was beating off beats. I put the ladies in your clan in confusion.
And I saw the way all the men from your clan were staring at my waist while I was dancing, while I was shaking my waist.
No, they were staring at me too. While I was
Wait. You see so stiff, you are a terrible dancer.
I am not. Then this one.
Now, Ozuko, let me show you what dancing is all about. Start clapping for me. Ungwa!
Okay, let me start clapping.
Clap well!
Anyway, you're not lying.
Hey! So you see what I'm talking about.
No, you are a good dancer. It's good to say the truth.
Yes, I am. And you shouldn't try competing with me. Not for a second.
Well, who am I to compete with my beautiful one?
So I won.
Yes. You won.
He will be back. This time, he will meet with his fate.
My prince. My prince, what is the problem? What is it?
She got married yesterday. No. Can you believe she got married to that Kanu from Arushuku? That boy thinks he can upset me. He thinks he can upset me. I, Prince Annie. I will make sure.
No, my prince, no. This is not time for I will. Calm down. What do we do?
I will skin Kanu alive and take Ijego from him.
My prince, don't you think he might have taken her virginity away last night?
No. Get me something to drink. My head is on fire. My head is on fire.
Let me go check my trap. I'll be back before you know it.
It's okay, my husband. It will catch a big animal. You know I always bring good luck to you.
That is true. And when I return, you shall prepare a very delicious nsala soup with the big meat. Animal.
It's okay. Just be careful. Go well.
And take care of yourself.
I will. Be careful.
My prince. Let us go to another kingdom and pay men to bring a virgin for you.
Just stop talking and let me drink and think.
Sorry. I think I need to mind my business.
Yes, Lady. I wish they could come like the sun. Wait. I haven't checked my cows to ask the gods about him. I've never asked about the yes also.
What about me?
My love. I was just preparing for AKD.
I could not wait for AKD. I wanted to see your face again. I wanted to hold your hand again. I wanted to hear your voice again.
Then come, let's see what our future holds. Come.
What are we doing?
Calm down. Pick the cowries and cast them.
You haven't told me what you're doing.
I want to see the future. Our future. Shall we?
You never told me you were a fortune teller.
Well, now you know. Pick the cowries and cast them.
No. I want to do it.
It will not harm you. Very well then. I'll do it first. And then you can do yours. What kind of a dream is this?
Jugu.
Yes, Uncle. I thought you weren't coming anymore.
I left my heart here, so I have to come back.
I'm guessing I'm your heart. I just dreamt of you.
And what was the dream all about?
I told you I was a soothsayer, and you got angry with me.
But a soothsayer?
Yes.
So the prophecy was right.
What prophecy?
Yes, Uncle. What prophecy?
That I will be a king when I marry.
You just lied to me now. In my dream, your mother refused to accept me. That is the divination you're talking about.
It's just a dream. My mother will never reject a woman I want to marry. Moreover, she has asked me to bring a woman countless times.
And take me to her.
I will come on a K day to take you to my mother.
So you came back to this land after insulting me?
Ubani, not here, not now, not anymore. Please stop.
Where'd you go? I want to see you aside.
As you can see, I am with someone. Let's go, Biaswa.
I will kill this man. I certainly will.
What did he tell you?
He said he would take me to see his mother.
His mother?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see your palm.
What? What?
He will put his life to save you.
Greetings, my prince.
So it is true. You're married to that nobody.
My husband is not a nobody.
He's a coward. A stupid man that cannot stay with one woman. Have you not heard that he has a wife in Achina? He had a son with her.
You have just lied. My husband is a noble man.
A noble man indeed. As I'm talking to you now, he has gone to Achina to see her. And you will come to thank me later. Noble man indeed.
No. You cannot do this to me.
love.
You came?
Yes, I had to. I'm very well, thank you. I help you, sir.
Good day, mother.
Who is she?
Mother, meet Ojugo, my friend.
Obiasogo, I want to have a word with you. You must stay away from that woman.
Mother, what is it? Have you met her before?
She is the woman who will take you to the oblivion.
I don't get it.
She is evil. She is the woman who will bring your ruin. Yes.
Mother, she is harmless. She told me that divination said she'll be a queen.
Yes, she is a queen of soothsaying. Misfortune follows her around. Stay away from her. You must stay away from her. Stay away from her. Young woman, you must stay away from my son. Yes.
Mother, please.
Listen, if I see you in my house again, I will slit your throat with a knife. Now, get out. I said get away, get out. Get out. Out! Obiasogo! Obiasogo, come back here.
Sunrise. Where are you going with your bags?
I am going to my father's house. You cannot ruin my life.
What are you talking about? What happened?
Kano, you think no one will tell me about it?
Tell you about what?
It shall not be well with you.
Can you talk? What happened? My sunrise. Am I dreaming? My sunrise.
Can you stop following me? You took me to your mother so she could humiliate me?
Please stop sounding like that. My mother cannot come between us.
She has already proven that she is between us. Please stop looking for me now. Don't come looking for me, please.
Please.
My love, talk to me. Jacob, talk to me.
Leave me alone! Don't touch me!
Jacob, talk to me. What have I done? Why are you doing this to me? What will people say?
Well, people will say that I am brave enough to leave a dog like you.
A dog? What is going on? You're acting so strange. My love, talk to me. What's the problem?
Listen to me. If you touch me one more time, I swear to the gods, I will cut off your nose. Let me have my bag. Let me.
Ijego.
Just leave me alone.
Ijego. Ijego. What is it? Why crying? Hope it's not what I'm thinking. Huh? With your
Annie. Annie, you're evil. How did you do it? Annie.
May your tears never fall. From sunrise to sundown, I love you, I love you. Give what you want away. A begging on the way.
What is it? Why are you crying?
I was coming to your house. I'm finished.
What happened? Is Ijego alright?
Ijego has left me.
What? Ijego left you? Did you fight with her?
Nebekwan, I didn't. I just came back from the bush and I met her living with her bags. Ijego is just acting so strange. I can't really tell. I can't really tell what happened to my Ijego.
How strange. Don't worry. Let me drop this and I will go and talk to her. Stop crying.
You won't understand. This is just so strange to me. I don't know what to think. Can I go with you?
No. Go and see her father. I will join you soon. Stop crying.
It's okay. Let me go.
Ijego left him. Why? No, I have to find out.
Love me, Arabu Kwaname.
My sunrise. The gods will not forgive you for fooling me, for doing this to me.
My love, in the name of the gods, can you be lenient enough to tell me what I have done?
Do not pretend you do not know what you have done. You think I will not hear that you have a wife and a child in Achina?
Me? A wife and a child in Achina?
Swear it is not true.
I have never been to Achina.
You are a liar. You lie.
Ijego, you called me a liar. You called me a liar. Wait. Annie. Annie did this? Annie lied to you that I have a woman and a child elsewhere? Hi, Ijego. Ijego, how could you? How could you believe such a lie? Can't you see he wants to tear us apart? Can't you see?
Ijego. What happened?
Let him tell you.
And he lied to her that I have a wife and a child elsewhere.
Ijego, why would you allow Annie to trick you? When you hear such story, it is right you hear from your husband first.
best.
The only woman I have known in the past is you. And he did this because he feels I'm still angry with him for snatching Oluge away from me. That's the only reason. And you had the mind to believe him.
I once heard he married Oluge instead of Obioma, whom he was betrothed to. Can you know what? Sit down and tell us everything. Sit.
No problem. It was the first time in my life that I wanted to wake up from reality. Nne chelu o. Nne.
You're beautiful. Only this kind of beauty can make a man lose his breath for a moment. The only thing I've seen as beautiful and fragile as you are is a rain knot. If you were a goddess, you deserve to be worshipped by 7 innocent men. In fact, you deserve the best uwe for your skin. My name is Kanonta. It looks like you're not in a good mood. Of course, I know you're not spirit. You're human. Even spirits show sign. This slap is not a beautiful one. Why did you slap me? Where I come from, women don't slap men. You slapped me. And you're crying. Are you okay? Is everything all right?
Where am I?
Who are you? And what am I doing here?
Now we're standing here together. Are you okay? Are you okay?
My head.
Are you okay? What is it?
My head.
What's wrong with your head?
My head.
Are you okay?
Talk
to me. Talk to me. What is it? What is it? Talk to me. What is it? Talk to me. What's wrong? What's wrong with your head? Talk to me.
Allah! Allah! Allah!
I did not touch her.
Who are you and what are you doing with her?
I did not touch her.
Ola, are you alright? I've been looking for you. Let us go.
Is she your sister? Is she alright? What is wrong with her? What is wrong with her?
Can you mind your business and go back to where you come from? Or do you want to mock us?
No, I do not mean to mock you.
If you keep following us, I will shout and our young men will come out here and beat you up.
Is she suffering from Oribuche?
How did you know about Oribuche?
I can help her with some herbs to cure it. Allow me. Allow me to help her. How long has she been suffering from this?
It started 3 years ago when the man who promised to marry her took another woman on the wedding day.
Okay, I know herb that can cure it. Okay, but let me quickly get it. I'll be right back.
Thank you.
All right. Allah, you have to drink this so you will be alright. Hmm? Yes, Allah.
Drink.
No, let her drink more. More. She will be fine. In 3 days, she will be completely fine.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Let me get you water to wash your hands.
Okay. When she wakes up, give her some food. Okay? I'll be back tomorrow to see her.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
No, it's alright. Take care of her.
I will.
Alright.
Go on.
Okay. Thank you.
Udu nechu mmiri mama mahi ndu awala. Udu nechu mmiri mama mahi ndu awala. Oburu sorudu kobu murapudu laba. Obumu sorudu kobu murapudu laba. Udungala udungala.
How is she today?
She's getting better. You're welcome.
How are you?
I am fine.
Some herbs.
Thank you.
This will cure it forever.
May the gods bless you.
Bless you too. I'll be on my way. I'll be back again later in the day to see her. Please take care of her.
I will. Go well.
I have seen him before.
Yes, you have seen him before.
He is handsome.
Yes, he is. Let me go and cook this.
Do not forget to come back.
Okay. I'll come back much later.
You will not kill me.
Why are you laughing? Eh? Wait. So you have the mind to laugh at me? Eh? You think I cannot dance?
You are not a good dancer. Just.
Wait. So you have... Okay, now, I will show you that I've won so many dancing contests. Just watch. Watch me. I'll show you now. This time will I give her.
Please stop. You are not a good dancer.
Okay, you want to try me? Someone wants to try me. Okay, just watch. Watch, let me show you the new style now. Watch it. Which style will I give her? This style. Okay.
What am I saying? All are laughing. What did you do to her?
Well, I'm happy she's laughing today. We're actually having a good time.
Do you know she has not laughed for the past 3 years?
That means today is a D-Day.
Hey, Hola. You can take her home with you.
Just like that?
Hola. And you think I will not follow him to his house if I want?
Oh yeah, watch.
My love, I wish this happiness you brought into my life will remain forever and ever and ever. Oh, I love you so much.
I love you too. You know, when I saw you in that state, I swore to myself that I would do everything within my power to cure you. And I'm the happiest man knowing fully well that you're cured completely.
Can I tell you something?
Okay.
I love you. The gods sent you to me. And I appreciate it
no,
so much.
No. The gods brought you to me.
Okay. The same thing.
You to me.
Me to you?
No, it's you to me.
No, me to you.
It's you to me.
Is this not Olaugo, the lunatic? What happened? She's looking very well and even prettier. Hey, who is this man? Asked me to bring you on Okoli.
I will come, my love. And when I come, I will sleep over.
You will sleep over?
My sister is better now.
That reminds me. What happened?
The gods sent one of their own to heal her. Hola. What happened?
We forgot something. I've come. Maybe I'm coming.
So you have to go back from here, okay?
Don't forget to come back tomorrow. Don't forget to come back tomorrow.
Of course. I will certainly come tomorrow to see you.
I know.
Take care of yourself for me.
I will.
Malita. Yes. By the way, who is that man in your house?
Oh. Our prince. He is betrothed to my sister. Any problem?
No, not really. Well, just that he has this proud and mean attitude all over him.
But my sister likes him that way. So, start going.
Okay. Take care of yourself.
Go away.
What is it? Talk to me. How is Olu? Olugo.
I like all this dirty.
Stop looking
But I like it.
You like it, Papa.
I like it.
Olugo.
My love. Some people will not just allow us to have this our wonderful fun. Let us live here, please. They just want to be disturbing us all the time.
Olugo. This is not happening. This is not happening. What was the meaning of that? What has it done to you?
Do you want to know? He has shown me greater love, powerful love, royal love. Have I answered your question?
Alugo, how could you? How could you betray us this way? How?
Stupid question.
That's the only woman I've known in my entire life until I met you.
EJ, you see, I told you. You should have heard from him first.
My husband. Please, I am sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Get your bags. Let's go home.
Don't worry, I will help you. But don't do this again.
Thank you.
Ijego, what happened?
My in-law, nothing happened.
What else do I do to separate them?
I still maintain my stand. I still maintain what I said. Let's go to another land and look for a virgin girl. Even if it means Spain.
Okay. How do we know the one that did not suckle her mother's breast?
That's a big question. Let us go and see her.
Okay.
Did you find the virgin girl?
Easy, why? Can't it just be an ordinary virgin girl?
You must meet up with the demand if you want to get what you want. And let me warn you, as long as you've stepped your foot here, you must fulfill it.
Yeah.
Else you die in the hand of a woman.
Easy, why? Please. Can you help me find this virgin girl? I will pay anything at all. I will pay you.
I am not the one who wants to be great and invisible. You are.
I know.
I can see the woman coming closer, aiming at your neck.
My neck? My neck.
Greetings, my prince.
What did you say?
I greeted you, my prince.
You just insulted the king. You just insulted my father. You just insulted the king.
My prince, I did not mention your father's name.
I heard you.
Well, you will not spoil my beautiful mood this morning. Excuse me.
Where is that woman? Where is that woman? Come out here! Come out! Where is your wife?
Is there any problem?
She insulted my father. She insulted the king.
What is it I have done to you that you wouldn't let me be in this life?
You insulted my father. He asked me to come and bring you to the palace for punishment.
You lie. You are not taking my woman anywhere. If you're a noble man, report the case to my king.
Better.
I have a king.
Did you just say I'm not a noble man? Did I hear that rubbish from your mouth?
Don't try that again.
Get him! Get him! Excuse him! Go with him! Go with him! Go with him! Go with him! Hi. What a bad sign. Hi. What have you done? What have you done? This is just a little of what I will do to you when I come back again.
You will die like Chick. And your body will not be found for funeral. You will die. You will die. You will die.
Stop! What happened to her? What is it? Talk to me.
And he has killed my Ijego.
Ijego! Ijego, why? Hey, Ijego, talk to me. Ijego! Ijego, please. This is me, Ned. I'm here to see you. Ijego! Ijego! No! 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 Ijego!
No!
Ijego!
Lady, what is it? What is it? What happened to her? Is she sick?
No.
Then where is she?
No.
Talk to me, Nedi.
I don't know how to say it.
Say it. Is she sick?
Diego is dead.
What?
No. Prisani has killed Diego.
Nede came back with the news to me, and I've been so confused and upset. You should go and see the Igwe. This is abominable. It is outrageous.
Weke, my heart bleeds for the death of my daughter, Ijego. But let us go and bury her first. Thereafter, I will ask the gods for what to do next.
Abomination.
Chame. It's alright. We will not just sit down as if nothing happened. They killed your wife. We will have to go to the king and let him know about it. We have to speak with him before we bury him.
I came as soon as I heard it. I mourned with you.
Stop crying. Be a man. Be a man. It has happened. No, their king must know. You have to report to the king.
The king said nothing. Absolutely nothing. Just because he thinks my daughter's life does not matter.
If I were you, I would lay curse on her name.
That is exactly what I am going to do.
Anne.
My husband, I am very, very sure it was Obioma that asked them to fight you.
Can you just sit down?
Spirit of anger and misfortune, I bring my case before you. Let the hand that strangled my daughter be broken and shattered like this egg.
I am sorry for the death of your daughter.
Who are you?
I am the spirit of anger. You have invoked me. Now tell me, what should I do for you?
Oh, let that man that strangled my daughter die the same way.
That I shall do for you. I will use that to repay you for what you did for me before my death.
I think I met you in my dream.
Have you forgotten? Have you suddenly forgotten that all men are spirits whilst they dream? Have you?
I have not forgotten. Yes, I have not.
Oh! For the singular act of yours, I shall repay you by avenging the death of your daughter. I will.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
It's okay. Can I have some palm wine to drink? I need to quench my taste. Now.
My palm wine is finished.
And I shall wait. I shall wait for you to get more. Go and get more. I need some palm wine. I need to quench my taste. And I need it from you.
Continue this way. You have cried enough. It is alright.
It's not alright.
Please, let me take you home, please.
No. I want to stay here. Please.
From sunrise to sundown, I love you.
Can you please? Can you please? Can you please?
Kanu, I heard what happened. It is a terrible news. But the gods will pay everyone accordingly.
Ise. What a nice prayer. The gods will indeed pay everyone accordingly.
Was she referring to me? My prince, the news is everywhere. It's everywhere.
Ndo, go home if you don't have anything to say.
I have something to say. I heard that the seer has laid a curse on you.
I said go home if you don't have anything to say.
My prince, I'm telling you the truth though. My prince, you mean I should?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry I couldn't help you.
My friend, I am sorry for the death of your best friend. Sorry, stop crying.
Anyone who is involved in this will die untimely.
I heard it was an accident.
Get out of my sight before I pour this sand on you.
But
It is your friend who did this to her.
But you can't continue crying.
Get out! Get please. Come back to me. Come back, please. Did you hear what he said? He just said that the sea has laid a curse on you.
You stupid. Go and sit down.
I will not sit down.
Woman, do not force me to lay my hands on you.
That is the only thing you know how to do. Is there any other thing? Murderer. Killer.
What did you call me?
I just called you a murderer. Do you want to have another man's blood in your hands because he is ruthless?
I cannot bear this.
I have a plan, and I believe it will work out.
Of what use? Of what use is this life when I have no one? No, tell me, of what use?
You have me. I brought you some food.
Allow me to kill him. Allow me.
Please. Please come and eat your food.
So you're not dead. The gods are kind. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Stop crying. My love, please don't go. My love, wait. My love. Please don't go. Please don't go.
Come. I know it is not easy. You have to be strong. You cannot continue like this.
No. At this time, I find it so difficult to be strong. I cannot just be strong.
I know.
I can't.
It's okay.
Diego.
I am sorry. Please, be a man. Please.
Diego.
Are you still angry with me?
Udule, tell me, why will I waste my anger on a man who can only stand for evil? Udule, you are wicked and evil.
She knows something I think she does not need to know. I must do something about it.
Do you but know where you are?
No. How did we get here?
You are in my abode, and I'm in your dreams.
Spirit of anger.
Spirit of anger. Spirit of anger. Spirit of anger. You had the same dream. I think we have to do what she said we should do. I do not think I will do it.
Of anger, I call upon you. Do not let the man who killed Ichego see the rising of the next moon. Say...
And that shall come to pass. This is the only chance I have to own him forever.
Obioma has a strange power too. She might be useful. She might be useful.
Obioma, I am telling you this because you are a good person. Don't forget, when he comes, be smart enough to avoid the danger.
Thank you very much. I will not forget this, Ezewanyi.
Why did you invite me here?
I want to forgive me for everything I did to you in the past.
My love, I have forgiven you. I can even marry you if you want.
Obioma, how do you know what is in my mind? Marry me.
Of course I'll marry you, my love.
If you want to send all our go away, I will do it.
No, my love. No. Do not send her away. She will go on her own.
Thank you.
You're welcome. My love, I have something for you.
What is it?
Not so fast.
My love, I thought I told you not to come looking for me again. You should go home. Why are you angry with my mother? She's only a woman jealous of losing her son's love to another woman. I'm not angry with her. How do you think this will work? Your mother clearly does not like me. The hatred she feels for me is all over her face. It will never stop. With time, she will love you. When she sees how much I love you. How can we stop talking about this love? There should be no love.
There has never been any love between us.
What are you talking about?
Go home!
Why did you bring me here?
I didn't bring you here! You followed me!
My love.
I have sacrificed my virginity for our love. I let you have it freely because I love you.
We have love now, don't we?
Will you speak to your mother on my behalf?
Yes. I will talk to her. And if she's still stiff about it, I will take you to Isukmo and live happily.
I want you out of this land.
Stop! No! Stop! No! Wait! Stop! No! Stop it! Stop! Stop! Help!
If you move an inch, your head will no longer be your neck. Down. Hey.
Down.
Move. Down.
Down. Now.
If you move.
Get out.
Down.
Now.
You lost your neck. First. Is the priest okay?
No more breathing.
Madras! If you move, your head will no longer be your neck. What have you done to my priest? Okay? What have you done?
Is he okay? He's dead.
What have you done? My priest!
Hey! Abomination! Adam! Hey! Hey! Abomination! Abomination! Hey! 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 Abomination! Hey! 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 Abomination! Hey! What's this? What's after you? The priest is dead. Hey! Yeah! What happened? How did it happen? The priest. There are many stories. There are many stories. Some say it's Ojugo that stabbed him to death. When they see now the hunter from Anupa that killed him. Hey! Yeah. Hey! The gods of our land. Prince! Prince, how can you... Where is his body? Hey! The prince! Hey! The prince! The prince! Hey! Hey! Ewo! Ewo! Abomination! Our prince is dead! Hey! Ewo! Our prince is dead! Oh! Abomination!
Hey! Oh, Prince Han is there. The gods cannot be wrong. Kanu must hear this. Hey! This is good news. Kanu! Kanu, come and hear this! Kanu!
Silence cannot make me not to decide either to kill both of you or kill you by hanging. For the last time, who killed my son?
Move. Don't waste the king's time.
Mother.
Move it!
Your Highness.
Woman, ask your daughter who killed my son.
Ojugo, what happened to Ubani? Mother, it was a mistake, Your Highness.
Please don't kill me, Your Highness. Please don't kill me. It was a mistake. It was a clip. It was a mistake, Your Highness. Mother! Mother! No! Mother!
my son? Tell me who killed my son!
I killed him! Don't take the blame for what you know nothing about. No! No! Your Highness, I killed him while trying to defend myself. No! It was a mistake. Place suitable punishment if you desire.
You killed my son?
It was a mistake.
You killed my son? I'll place a suitable punishment on you. You shall die by hanging. Gas! Take him away!
It was a mistake. It was a mistake.
Move it!
It was a mistake. Please. No. No. Don't take the blame for what you know nothing about. It was a mistake. It was a mistake. It was a mistake. It was a mistake. It was a mistake, Your Highness.
So sorry.
I love you. I will come back if I die.
The gods will not let you die. And even if you do, I'll be here, waiting. I'll wait for you till eternity.
Move him! Move!
What do we call this? Eh? I don't even know where to look for him. I'm just confused.
Is he not yet back?
I've not seen him.
Let me go and look for him.
Oh.
You must be Obiase Ogu's mother.
Yes.
Our king Anajemba sent me. Your son is dead.
My son! My son!
He killed our prince, Uban, so he was killed by hanging.
Obiasogu, my son. Oh, I cannot bear this. I will join you in the afterlife. I can't bear this. I can't bear this. I am sorry about the death of your good friend.
Desia killed my friend, the prince. She must be hanged without her lover.
You are right. Do you want me to stay with you in case you need anything?
That would be nice. See, I'm scared.
You do not have to be scared. I will stay with you. See, I brought palm wine for you. I know you like palm wine.
Thank you.
Should I pour some for you to drink?
I don't have the appetite for this.
No. You have to drink so you can sleep and forget about your friend. Hmm?
Thank you. Please, get me a cup inside.
Let us go inside.
Greed is when you're asking for what you cannot have. Stupidity is when you have it all.
What have you done to me? What did I do to you?
Go and ask your ancestors.
I didn't know he was going to die.
It's okay. Stop crying.
I did not
You
know.
don't cry yourself to death.
He did not even do anything.
It's okay.
My queen, the king has ordered you leave this place at once.
At least they should allow me to mourn my husband now.
He said if you don't leave, he will tell the youth to stone you at Amma to death.
I have to cry.
Let us go, my friend.
I want to cry.
The hunter from Anukpa was killed by hanging today. But when Annie killed Ijego, nothing happened.
The gods have done it their own way. But I don't think that young man killed Annie. Nemesis might have caught up with him.
Things have fallen apart. Totally.
What are you doing here?
Please, I have erred. I know I brought this punishment upon myself. But you can still punish me in your own way. Just please.
Leave my house. Leave my house.
Please.
I said leave my house. Are you deaf?
And what do we have here? Welcome, Your Majesty.
Okay. Since you don't want to leave, will you marry me?
It is only a foolish woman that would say no to a noble man like you. I will marry you.
Welcome home, my heart throb.
This is not my home.
This is the land of the spirits. And it's your new home. Follow me. Here we are. Welcome home, my love. I will never let you go into the world again. I will never let you reincarnate.
I want to go back to my wife.
I am your wife. I alone remains your wife. No other. You will stay here with me. Together, I shall give you love. I shall make you happy. We shall be happy. And we will have 7 children. Yes, 7 children together. And then we shall name them after the 7 rivers of Amili.
I do not want to stay here.
Do not make me angry. Do not. Don't. I have endured. I have endured for years. For many years I have endured. And I will not endure again.
No, I don't believe I'm dead. I do not believe I'm dead.
No, my love, you are not dead. You have only left the cruel world to a place where love is being served in plates. I shall give you love. There is peace here. You will be fine with me.
Please.
Yes.
No. Please. Keep your peace to yourself. Keep your peace to yourself.
My love. My love. Do you really want to leave me here to wallow in loneliness? I have been angry ever since you turned your back on me. Please, I beg of you. Do not leave me again, please.
I want to go back to my wife. If I remain here, my father's throne will be under threat.
It's too late. You have been buried.
Me? Buried? I don't believe I'm dead. No.
Do you really want to go home?
Yes, I want to go back home.
Then I shall take you home.
Thank you. Thank you. Back to your house.
This is the only home for the spirits.
But I'm not a spirit. I'm not a spirit.
Do not shout at me. Are you insane? Now sit down. Have a seat. Do not ever anger me to shout at you again. Don't ever. I'll get you something to eat.
What is this?
Take it. Drink it.
Is this not blood?
Yes, it is blood. It is the blood that binds us. Once you drink it, you will never taste for love forever. Drink it, my love. Drink. Drink. Remember what you promised me. You promised that you would never leave me. And you finally did.
I did?
Yes. When the witch doctor said I was a spirit wife.
He did?
Yes. And he cut the ties that bound us. And I was left heartbroken.
Why are you crying?
Because you broke my heart.
I broke your heart? How did I break your heart?
Have you suddenly forgotten how we met? In your dream.
My dream?
Yes.
Okay. What is wrong with you?
I want to go home.
Home? Where is your home?
My home is in you.
What?
Yes. Just leave me. Leave me, let me stay here and cry out my pain. Leave me.
Can I take you home?
Will you be my home till eternity?
If you want me to. But let me take you home.
Take me.
You are very, very sweet.
You are indeed a man.
I've never seen a woman as sweet as you are. Every part of you sparks me on.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Anyway, will you give me the honor to know your beautiful name?
My name lives in your heart.
Is she a human? But anyway, I have a...
That was the day we were bound in spirit. We would have had so many children if that witch doctor did not cut our love short.
I want to rest my head. I feel like sleeping. I want to lie down.
Come on, lie here. You will never reincarnate again. Never. Never. This is just a new phase of my life.
Isi kate punuwa, bakasanya no. Esanye mo. Ingweranya no ba Imana chakwanya no ko Esanye mo Ogono gondue Nyana risike Honest tanonezi wife Webia Akwimana chife Ana muta chife Ay Apuronya kurunu wano Kakagoro weta Oyimu mebezi wife Ezo yime wife dimba Inana Greed is when you're asking for what you cannot have. Stupidity is when you have it all but still gunning for more. Are we for your metaranoa? Where is he and where is he? If I never taranoa, okay, punyas on your no. You see, Katabo no, Bakasanya, no. Okwana watching tea on the city, I am my best to be fair. One never so busy was on no. You know, go no. I am my best to be fair. I sing it so busy was on no. I put no go no. Oyantique, I got Babu Boro no. One day you sign it. In the state tongue, no. Muraya Kuruno, no, Yana Kaka, no. A few years, no one, Yana go, but no. Manata Mare will call ye, Manamada Mamua. Go see a son, no. Go see a no. If I didn't have a mother, no. It wasn't a bemono, no. Are you mad? As I am mad, as I am Kwangara Guchue, as I am Negodi Merawagia. Greed is when you're asking for what you cannot have. Pride is when you're looking down on those who hold you up. If I am better, I know where is he and we put If I am better, no one, I see I go get you. I feel yes, no one, I want you go get Bunana. Oh, what a way. Honestly, it's you, what a way. Yes, I am. I'm a kinnikin. Yes, I am. We're walking on job. Barakan and Joe. Makani for ye better no one can go banana no. If I ye better no one of the punya so no.